Today's a big day because the S4 is finally getting on the dyno, and the idea is just to see how much power it still makes in its old age. Hopefully, it still makes good power because it seems healthy. There are no warning lights on the dash. Everything else seems to be fine. I look at the dyno as a health check. So now I'm on my way to the dyno place. I'm hoping to see other cars over there and see, hopefully there is a car that's similar to the S4 or another S4 of the same year model, hopefully, so that we can see how much power we're making together so far, or based on my ownership in the past couple of years. I cannot complain really. The car has been good to me. All the maintenance has been done. Obviously, things that need to be replaced have been replaced, and it's a good thing just to see at this point where it is now. It's gonna be a fun day, hopefully. Yeah, there's gonna be some other really fast cars, some really powerful cars, and it's just gonna be a nice day. Seeing other cars, seeing other people networking, just getting to learn what they've done to their cars and why they're making so much power, and what are their plans, for the future. Okay, we are here. Let's just find the place. That's a lot of cars. Okay. Okay, now we are getting onto the dyno. Let's see how much power we're going to make. Crossing fingers that we make good power. So let's go in and see. S4 didn't do really well at all. Yeah, so besides that, there were some nice cars that put a lot of power down, and it was a really good day, good turnout, really had fun. Some serious numbers were put down on the dyno. You've seen that on the video already, and for me, I think I now have to go to the drawing board just to investigate and check why the S4 behaved the way it did. I honestly am not sure why I didn't get stock figures, but that's not a problem. A lot of wind. Yeah, I'll just have to check why the S4 didn't give me, or at least stock power. But all that aside, it was a really good day. I really enjoyed myself. It was the first time the S4 climbing or getting on the dyno, and at least we know it's not too bad. It did not lose a lot of kilowatts or a lot of power, but again, I just need to investigate and find out exactly what happened. Then I can safely confirm then after that, after my investigation, if indeed the S4 needs new spark plugs, or it needs new coil packs, or if there's anything that I need to do. So yeah, there's a few more things that I need to sort out in the car, but overall I think I'm happy with the way it is, because I don't have any warning lights on the dash. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel, because there's tons and tons of content coming soon. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.